How to make natto salad for Christmas. That's something I'll share with you today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya, the Natto King. I am the author of Natto Unleashed. Okay, so in the last video, I shared with you how it is good to eat natto for Christmas so that you can enjoy your Christmas feast without feeling guilty, because natto has nattokin, natto bacteria, which can coordinate the condition of your gut microbiome. So even though you are eating like a lot of meat-based food and sugar-based food, you can kind of compensate by eating natto. So I recommended that you eat natto as a starter, right? But today, I will share with you that you can actually include a natto dish in your Christmas meals, yeah? So the simplest way is to make a natto salad, okay? So what you need, basically, you need some vegetables. So I'm using lettuce and then cabbage and carrot, which gives kind of red color, and beetroot, that also gives a red color, and then broccoli for the green color, and then tomatoes for red color. Okay, so and then of course you need natto, yeah? And first you want to make dressing. So I use brown rice vinegar, but any kind of vinegar is okay. Apple vinegar is fine too. So you put a bit of vinegar and then olive oil, yeah? Right, because both olive oil and vinegar kind of stops the or kind of mitigates the elevation of your blood sugar level. So if you're eating a lot of sugar-based food, it's good to have some vinegar and olive oil in your stomach first. And then you want to put some hemp seed, then add soy sauce. If you have mentui is even better, right? But if you don't have one, soy sauce is fine. Right. And then mix them together so that dressing is made. And then you basically add your vegetables. So you put your lettuce, and then cabbage. Yeah, so main vegetable for this salad is cabbage and lettuce. So you want to put more lettuce and cabbage than other ingredient. And then you can put broccoli and then tomatoes, beetroot, then carrots. Yeah, beetroot and carrots are grated. Okay, and then you just mix them together, yeah, with the dressing. So, yeah, you want to mix them well. And then you want to add natto, but before putting your natto, you want to stir your natto a lot. Yeah, so it's good to stir natto before mixing it with anything else. Yeah, so to give umami flavor, remember, it's good to stir like around 100 times at least. I mean, it's better if you can stir more, but I think 100 times is enough. Yeah, I would say between 50 to 100 times. And again here, because you are eating natto for Christmas, you don't need to optimize all the health benefit of natto. Yeah, so you don't need to worry too much about it. As long as you're having natto, that's enough. Yeah, but usually when you eat natto, make sure that you stir natto many times before mixing it with anything else, right? Okay, so now natto is getting more sticky here, and then you add natto to the salad. Right, and then you mix natto with the vegetables and the dressing. Yeah, I like the fact that natto's sliminess, kind of merges the vegetables, so the vegetables get slimy as well. But this sliminess is natto-kin, natto bacteria, and that will help carry the enzyme in raw vegetables to your gut, because natto bacteria is so strong that it won't be destroyed by stomach acid. But some of the enzymes in the vegetables may be destroyed by stomach acid, but if it travels with natto bacteria, yeah, basically it helps. It kind of protects the enzymes. All right, so yeah, you kind of mix them well, and then so that all natto-kin is spread throughout the salad, and then here is your salad. Yeah, so both green and red. Yeah, so I mean, you can always add any other vegetable, like some green vegetables such as green peppers. Yeah, but I mean that's enough really. Yeah. Okay, so you can have this as a starter, because it is usually good to have a salad as a starter, yeah, so that it serves the very purpose of my last video, that you want to have natto as a starter so that you can enjoy your Christmas, regular, traditional Christmas feast. Yeah, but if you're having a salad, then the volume is big, or becomes bigger, then you can kind of share that with rest of the family members or other people. And in fact, this becomes the topic of this Christmas. Yeah, you can say, people say, what is that? Oh, they call natto salad. And then you can mention that, actually I learned how to make natto salad from this book, Natto Unleashed. Yeah, right. That's it. Yeah, okay. So thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya, the Natto King, the author of Natto Unleashed. Yeah, if you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and please leave your comment. Yeah, are you going to eat natto for Christmas? And if you are, what kind of dish are you going to make? Thank you. Well, have a happy holiday. Live with your Ikigai!